Hello everyone, this is Dr. G. Anita Hebsiba, Department of Chemistry, Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video series, we have been discussing about the traditional conventional dyes which are being used in textile industry, and in this video we will be discussing about a class of dye, that is azo dyes. Azo dyes are the most important synthetic colorants which have been used widely in textile, printing, paper, manufacturing, etc. These dyes are also known as ice or magic colors, as they need a shallow temperature because we undergo a process called as diazotization, which is carried out at an ice bath. In 1884, the first azo dye, that is Congo red, was used, which is now replaced by other chemically synthesized dyes that are more resistant to light and heat. What are the properties of azo dyes? Azo dyes, they possess a high fastness ability. These are used to dye cellulosic materials. Coupling these dyes is necessary for producing good colors, and coupling is usually done in an alkaline solution. It has admirable bright shades. The final color of the dye is produced after immersing the material for a few seconds, therefore it has a fast application. So there are two phases, one is coupling and the one is diazotization. These dyes are suitable for small scale industries too. Azo dyes are effective and they are less expensive also. The dye's environmental impact is low because the azo dye, it is not very safe, making it a safe option. It has a wide range of color options. These dyes are insoluble in water. The dyes containing insoluble azo group are known as azoic dyes. These dyes are not found in ready-made form. Azoic dyes are produced by a reaction between two components. The components are, first one is coupling compound, that is naphthol, and the diazo compound or diazo base or diazo salt. So coupling and diazotization are the two steps involved. The colored substance formed from this colorless compound is insoluble water, and washing fastness of the shade is excellent because these dyes are insoluble in water. Let me explain the recipe of dyeing of cotton fabric with azoic dyes. As I told you earlier, there are two steps. First one is naphthalation. Here we take 3% of naphthol with the glycerin 1 gram per liter, which is used as a stabilizing agent, caustic soda to maintain alkaline medium. 15 gram of 15 GPL common salt is being used for as an exhausting agent, and then time taken for naphthalation is 20 to 30 minutes, and the temperature is at room temperature. Material to liquor ratio is maintained as 1:30. The second step is diazotization. Here we use a base color, that is the color which is responsible for the formation of azo dye is used, that is 3%. Acid medium, that is hydrochloric acid and NaNO2. These two ensures the condition for diazotization, and the temperature is maintained at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. That's why it is called as magic ice dye. And acetic acid is also added, sodium acetate, which will ensure the pH, and which is at 1%, and the time taken is again 20 to 30 minutes. So almost around 50 minutes the two steps will take place. For making naphthol solution, at first naphthol, glycerin and caustic soda are added in the bath, then common salt is put in the bath and you mix them well. Then the fabric is immersed in the solution for a few minutes, then kept for 30 minutes at room temperature. Here no heating involved. Then for diazotization, at first the base color HCl, sodium nitrite are added, and another bath at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius is set, and these things are kept inside the ice bath. Then sodium acetate and acetic acid is added to maintain proper pH of the solution. Then the chemicals are mixed properly. After then, the naphthalated fabric, which was taken from the first step, is now immersed in the diazotization bath, and the color is produced very suddenly. As I told you earlier, these dyes are produced in situ. They are not formed ready-made. So here the naphthalation takes place, and then in the second step, when during diazotization, the naphthalated fabric is immersed in the diazotized bath. So now the color is rapidly produced. Finally, the fabric is immersed for a few minutes in the as it is bath, and we get the final shade of color. So we have good light and washing fastness too. Thank you.